Has recent hail left your home in distress? In the aftermath of last week's storm, finding a path to restoration can feel overwhelming. The journey to repair isn't just about fixing physical damage, it's about securing peace of mind in a time of vulnerability. With no licensing requirements for roofing contractors in Texas, the market is flooded with choices, not all of them good. At Phillips Home Improvements, we understand your concerns. As a proud recipient of the BBB's Torch Award for Ethics not once, but twice, we're not just another contractor. We're your neighbors committed to rebuilding our community with integrity and expertise. Why choose us? Trustworthy service. We're honored to have been recognized for our ethical business practices, ensuring you get the honesty and transparency you deserve. Hassle-free insurance handling. Navigating insurance claims can be tricky. Let us take the stress off your shoulders by handling it for you. Quality craftsmanship. Our experienced team is dedicated to delivering top-notch repairs that stand the test of time, restoring your home and your peace of mind. We believe that everyone deserves to feel safe and secure under their own roof, especially after such a turbulent event. That's why we're offering a free inspection to assess the extent of your hail damage and provide you with a clear, ethical path to restoration. Take the first step to a restored home. Don't let the stress of finding a reliable contractor add to your storm woes. Invite Phillips Home Improvements for a free inspection today and experience the peace of mind that comes with having a trusted partner in your home's restoration journey. Call us at 97286-79792 to schedule your free inspection. Together, we can turn the aftermath into a new beginning. With Phillips Home Improvements, your home is in good hands.